In this module, we've learned one thing for sure as to investing is much more than just asking the question, how much return am I going to generate from this investment? In this module, we learned that investing is about understanding yourself as an investor, your risk-taking capacity, and matching that with the risk-taking capacity of various investments and allocating your assets to achieve your goals. So while you wait for the next module to go live, why don't you do these following activities so you're ready for the next module and you've also revised your module 3. Take your risk profile test and know your asset allocation. Understand yourself as an investor and how much risk you can take. Go through your list of assets and liabilities that you made in the end of module 2 and understand your asset allocation. How much you have in debt and how much you have in equity. Fill it up in the asset allocation tool and understand what you need to do next. Compare your actuals with your suggested asset allocation. Third thing is to list down your goals. Go through the goal setting sheet. Put down your goals, put down the tenure by when you want to achieve the goals, the amount of the goals, and eventually go through the sheet to know how much you need to invest to achieve those goals. Because in the next module, we will go through the financial plans for you and to help you understand that you need to have your goals in place. Compute your financially free number, know that retirement number. For the salaried individuals, go through your salary slip and CTC, compare the two, understand various components in your CTC and their taxability. Secondly, understand that how much tax deduction you can claim and start making those investments. Collate all the documents that are required for your tax purposes. It shouldn't happen that you're sitting at the end of the year in February and March running around to make those investments or getting those documents. And lastly, send your salary slip and CTC details from your official email ID to your personal email ID. All your contractual agreements with your employer, you must keep on your personal records in case if anything is required in future. With this, we wrap up module 3, and in the next module, which is the last module of the course, we will go through insurance and inheritance laws and also go through 2 financial plans with you.